Too long videos, I can't share.
Yeah.
She's very demanding and professional, and she expects a lot out of us.
I've been very lucky to work on a set that everyone's willing to help teach, and I've never been proud of her.
These two are always learning and staying inspired.
It's about surrounding yourself with people that are so good at what they do that it makes you want to be better. Go for it. Just follow your dreams.
Do you do 3D? Your imagination can take you to another dimension of creativity. I Do 3D is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel. Set seats will Chevrolet. Batteries not included. Facility 6 and up. If the asteroid that destroyed the dinosaurs missed,
Do I stop it? No. It's been 1 minute. Stop it.